Thank you, everybody. We've achieved the magnificent figure of 500 subscribers. It's all down to you wonderful people. And to celebrate that massive achievement, we've got a new member to the family, the Bodge-Ometer. And as you can see, this will tell us how many have joined in the last 24 hours. You'll be seeing this board on a regular basis. And how many films we've made so far, 157. For all those diligent people who've watched all of them. You'll remember every one of them, I'm sure. How many subscribers, the most important thing, and we want to get now to the 1,000 level. And how many viewings? 264,420. The board has got plenty of room for you to put your sticker on, sponsor us as we move along. But thank you again for watching Bodge It with Brian, and you unsubscribers, don't forget you subscribe.